Hey everyone, so welcome to my channel. If you are new here, if you're new, then please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. This video, as you could tell by the title, I got my 2022 planner in. I'm so excited, and if you want to see what I got, then keep watching. Okay, ta-da! Oh, why did I think it was that small? All right, so let's start. Which way does it go? This way. So excited. Look at, I got these beautiful bookmark things. I thought it would look so beautiful in this planner. So exciting. My nails look like crap. I was in the middle of doing my nails, and then my package came. I was gonna put on this set right here. If you want to see how it looks on, follow my socials. I'm sure there'll be a picture somewhere there. But I got these. So pretty. Doesn't it have a film to take off? Yeah, I'll take that off later, but so pretty. I thought that would look so pretty in there. And then I got this planner. Okay, so if you follow me on my planner page, you will know that I said that I was gonna wait. I hope you follow me. If not, link below. I said I was gonna wait to get my planner because I love Ross and I always go to Ross, and there was a whole bunch of planners at Ross. Okay, bum, because there's like scratches there. I don't know if you could see that. Yeah, you can. Right here. Bummer. And then I got the one that said, this life is so lovely. And I got the vertical layout, which right now I have the dashboard layout. So I wanted something different. So yeah, I go to Ross and I said I was gonna wait, but this planner, it was like perfect. It was calling my name. I seen this and I was like, I just have to get it now. I can't wait. So let's dive in. This is cute. It has a little splatter looking on the side. Got the vertical layout, like I said, so pretty. I'll probably be getting other planners and then do a like full 2022 planner lineup, but I will be doing open packages as I get some in. So if you want to follow along as they come in, or just wait till the beginning of the new year. Of course, I don't know what this part is called. I don't really use this. I really need to start. Then you have your priorities, goals, important dates, and then of course, as usual, they have the important dates listed for you below. And then I'm just gonna go through the monthly. Okay, so it has polka dots down the middle. Let me just, and then it says this week's list. So yeah, the weeks are obviously the same. So let's just go through and flip through each month. You are made of sunshine. So pretty. Live life in full bloom. So beautiful. This is like a plum color. March, here comes more splatter. Follow your heart. April, oh, that's pretty. It doesn't say anything. This is so pretty. So my vibe. If you follow my other personal Instagram, you'll see, like, I feel like this matches my vibe from there, because my page over there, I feel like it kind of looks like moody vibes. And then May, which is my birthday month, there is so much to be grateful for. June, so pretty. Every path you cross can change the direction of your life. So true. July, more splatter. Fill your head with dreams and your heart with wonder. I love the clean print on here. August, splatter. I love it. There is beauty and simplicity. September. Oh, this is what the cover looks like. So this is the cover. Like I said, this life is so lovely. Ooh, I love it. That's kind of surprising, right? Because it's like all flowers and then this like plant. Trust your journey. This is so beautiful. See, I couldn't pass it up. Like, I didn't want a chance like it's selling out. And then December, I am going to make a very beautiful life for myself no matter what it takes. Oh my God, that is so perfect. So perfect. So perfect. I wish this was actually on the cover. I love that. And oh, this one actually has lines. Dots, lines, so it just alternates. But it's so beautiful. I can't wait to dig in. I haven't been in the vertical since last year. Oh, National Sticker Day. So I'm sure I'll be getting more planners. I love the Happy Planner and I love the Passion Planner. Probably gonna need a work planner. So definitely look forward to more open packages as they come in. Or like I said, if you want, you could just wait till the beginning of the year and I most likely will do a planner lineup for 2022. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, if you're interested in following me on my personal page, it's, as of right now, I'm trying to think of a different name for it, but as of right now, it's Joyces_Joys. And then my planner page is PlannerGeek05. I think there's an underscore in there somewhere. I'm not sure. I'll put it on the screen. But follow me on my socials and let me know you came from here. I will talk to you later. Bye.